Everyone experiences grief at some point, whether it be the loss of life, the loss of a friendship, the loss of time or a job or money, or the loss of an opportunity. We are all grieving something. That's why we need God to redeem. In the midst of their impending marriage, tragedy strikes. For Annalise and Jacob, the loss of a brother was almost too much. In their darkest moment, only the light of Christ can bring healing to their brokenness.
Fine, just take this.
No, Jacob is not okay. He's dead.
Take this. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their trouble. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. A righteous man may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all.
The Word of God brings healing. The Word of God brings light. The Word of God brings love. And in community, God's love is solidified.